Did you know you can double or even triple the number of days your DVR records without buying a bigger hard drive? Let me show you a quick and safe way to do it. Most DVRs record using higher quality than needed for security footage. That means your hard drive fills up faster. But by changing just one setting, the encoding bitrate, you can make your system store days or even weeks more video. Before we change anything, let's quickly estimate how much recording time you can get. Here's the formula. Let's say you have a 1 terabyte hard drive for cameras and each camera records at 2048 kbps. That gives you around 11 days of video storage. Now, if you reduce the bitrate to 1024 kbps, you'll get about 22 days. That's twice the recording time with just one simple change. Alright, let's do this on the DVR. Quick heads up, I'm using a device that works with the XMeye app, but don't worry, these steps are basically the same for any DVR, NVR, or XVR. The menus might look a bit different, but the settings work the same way. First, open the main menu and look for something called Encode or Video Encode. Here, we've got a bitrate of about 2,188 kilobits per second, which gives us roughly 10 days of recording on a 1 terabyte hard drive. Now, pick a channel to start with. Usually the first one is easiest. Don't worry if you have more cameras. You can repeat these steps on the other channels afterward. Here's where we tweak things to save space. Start with the bitrate. Lowering it by around 30 to 50% usually does the trick. Then, if you want to save even more space, you can lower the frame rate a bit. You could even go as low as 1 frame per second if you really want to stretch your recording days, but keep in mind, it'll look really choppy, not great for watching later. A good balance is around 15 frames per second. Keep the resolution as it is, unless you really need to squeeze out extra storage. And one more thing. If your device has options like H.265, H.265 Plus, or even H.264 Plus, make sure to select them. These compression formats are more efficient and can increase your recording days even further, using the same hard drive space. And finally, don't forget to hit apply or save. Let's see the result. Before, my DVR stored about 10 days of recordings. After adjusting the bitrate and frame rate, it now keeps 27 to 28 days, and the video quality still looks great. You just saved yourself from buying a new hard drive. Just remember, lowering bitrate too much can make it harder to recognize faces or license plates. Try different settings until you find the best balance between quality and storage time. That's it. You've just extended your recording time without spending a single dollar. If you'd like remote help configuring your DVR, my WhatsApp link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who uses security cameras.